Hello everyone! This video for Premiere Pro users only. I'll share with you the best technique that will speed up your editing process like nothing else. Let's look at a typical editing process. We have all project media in the project panel, source video clip on the timeline. I need the effect controls panel to have access to motion options such as positions, scale, etc. And below will be all applied effects. Moving to effects, I need the effects panel to have access to effects, transitions and presets. The folder My Presets is most commonly used and also speed up my editing. If you want to know how to make your own presets, let me know in the comments. I'll do a separate video about it. Then I use the audio track mixer panel for audio settings and the text panel for transcribing sequences and captions. So let me summarize. During editing, my most commonly used panels are Project, Effect Controls, Effects, and less often used are Audio Track Mixer and Text. Now, let's assign keyboard shortcuts for each panel. Premiere Pro keyboard shortcut. In the command panel, go to Application and Window. First find Project. By default settings, it's already Shift+1. That's what we need, so leave it as it is. Second, Effect Controls. Let's change the default setting. One click on the cross to clear it, one click to activate changes, and type Shift+2. We have a message that this shortcut was used for another application command, and that command will no longer have a shortcut. Don't worry, no problem. We are creating our own personalized editing process style. Next, Effects. Remove and sign Shift+3. Then Audio Track Mixer. Remove and type Shift+4. And Text. Add shortcut Shift+5. Done. You can save it as a preset and safely return to default settings if needed, without losing personal shortcuts. To use these shortcuts properly, you need to teach yourself the right hands position. If you are already doing this, it's good for you. The right hand on the mouse and the left hand positions as in the touch typing method on the keyboard. The index finger on the key F. The protruding strip as an indicator for the index finger, so you should feel it by touch. The middle finger on the key D, ring finger on the key S, and little finger on the key A. The big finger on the space key. From this position, the easiest way to use all shortcuts, not only from this video, but all of them. Now, by little finger, you hold Shift and choose the panel you need. 1. Project. 2. Effect Controls. 3. Effects. 4. Audio Track Mixer. 5. Text. Let's use it in an example. In the project panel I have a source vlog video, call to action graphic element on the green screen and background music. Create a new sequence with the source clip, place the CTA clip, press Shift 3, type Ultra, apply Ultra key effect to the CTA clip, press Shift 2, by pipette choose green color, adjust by position, press Shift 1, place background music, Shift 4, for audio track 1, let's apply the noise, single band compressor, for mix column, hard limiter, audio track 2 volume, decrease to -18 decibels. I decided to decrease also highlights, Shift 3, type color, choose Lumetri color, apply to vlog video clip, Shift 2 and decrease highlights to -15. Be sure that your video clip is selected properly. If it isn't selected, there is no info in Effect Controls. Only the selected clip will be displayed in the Effect Controls panel. The shown scenario is the most common in the editing process and much faster to do these repetitive actions by shortcuts than switch between them by mouse clicking. The first time, this editing process can be uncomfortable as a new one, but later, after regular practice, it will be your new habit, which one will speed up your editing process like nothing else, because this is most common actions. Share this video with your colleagues, write your comments. Thank you for watching, stay strong and creative!